Hello, today I am showing you how to use any other crypto on a Trezor wallet, Trezor hardware wallet. Here you can see the Trezor wallet is connected with my PC, and now it shows that go to trezor.io, start. So I'm going to trezor.io, start. We can access it on Trezor Shoot for web. So currently my Trezor it is brand new and there is no setup. So it will ask to set up a Trezor first. So I'm starting to set up my Trezor. Okay, create new wallet, standard seed backup. Okay, now it shows to confirm on a Trezor. So I am confirming it on a Trezor. You can see. Okay, it is very important to take a backup of Trezor, but I am not taking a backup because it is just for a demo purpose and it takes too much time. So I am skip this backup and also skip the pin. But it is very important to take a backup. Okay, now it will shows the 13 coins that are listed here. We can activate any of them. Currently I am only using a Bitcoin. So complete setup and access shoot. Okay, it will show the warning that you have not take a backup because we have skipped this. Now it shows Bitcoin here. Now if you want to enable more coin, then the list will shown here. But my question is how we can add the other coin that are not listed here. So Trezor.io is not giving a official support for adding any other cryptocurrency rather than this. So we have made a solution for it. I am closing this because I will show the solution how to use. Let take an example that Odua coin. We will add Odua coin on the Trezor. So we create a website that is odualite.com. It is same like a Trezor.io. Here you can see the connect to Trezor. Okay, now I am connecting Trezor. The layout is the same as a Trezor, and here we can set Odua and Odua USD by enabling these two. We have added the Odua coin and Odua USD coin in this list. Okay, now we have enabled this. Now going to dashboard. Here it shows assets not loaded correctly because the official Trezor firmware will not support Odua coin, Odua USD. So what's the solution? Now currently I am disable this. Okay, it will not shown here. The solution is we have made a custom firmware that is listed here by using the open source of Trezor firmware, and we have uploaded it in on this website. So we have to just install a firmware. Okay, it will shows disconnect your Trezor. Now I am disconnecting the Trezor. Okay, now it will show swipe your finger across the touch screen while connecting cable. So I am doing this. Okay, it will show that firmware 2.4.1 installed. Yes. Now show install firmware button and it will ask to confirm from Trezor. Here you will see the warning that install firmware is unsafe because we have modified that screenshot. It is not official by Trezor.io, so it will show the warning that firmware is unsafe. I am approve it, but before approve it, you have to remember that you should have backup of Trezor wallet, because when you will upgrade this Trezor, your memory will clean, so you have to again re-import older wallet. So it is very important to take a backup before doing this, so that your fund will not lose. Now it is installing our custom firmware that is made for specially Odua USD and Odua coin. So if we will install that firmware on the Trezor device, then it will support Odua coin and Odua USD to store coins on a hardware wallet, as well as the other coins that are already available on Trezor.io. So now device is restarting. It will show warning that Unsoft do not use. It is just because we have modified the firmware. Now click here to continue on a Trezor device. Okay, a new Trezor is ready. Okay, now click on find Trezor button. It will show connect. Okay, here it will show other device that is older, so I am ejecting it and refresh. Our Trezor is not set up, so begin setup, because we have installed our new firmware, so old memory will clear, and now we have to again the setup. If you have a backup of older Trezor, so you can click on recovery wallet, but we don't want to recover, so we create a new wallet, standard seed button. This procedure is the same as we have done previously on a Trezor.io site. So again I am skipping backup because it takes time and I don't want to show this time. Now here you can see the Odua coin and Odua USD is also present in this list. Okay, so we will enable it here from here and complete setup. Now access suit. As usual, it shows the warning of create backup, and now the Odua and Odua USD will listed here. The error has gone because we installed custom firmware that also support Odua coin and Odua USD. So here you can see the Odua coin and Odua USD. Now it will show we can use that wallet by click on Odua coin. Okay, so we are getting an address, so full address, show address anyways. Now on a Trezor you can match that address HWE, that will be same, and okay. So I am copying that address and I am sending some coin on this address. Now the Odua already provide Odua Trust wallet by using a seed. So I am going to their site. I already log in and I have some balance of 0.0092. So I am sending some coin from this website. You can send from anywhere, from a Qt wallet, from a web wallet, from an Android wallet. I am showing it from Odua Trust wallet. So sending some coin 0.002. Now I'm sending confirm and the transaction is done. Now we can see here it comes 0.002. You can see the transaction list here. It is a pending transaction because I haven't received any confirmation. We can see it on a Block Explorer. It is a confirmed transaction. It will reflect here. Now I'm going to dashboard. It will shows I have a 0.002 OWC. Same way I am also receiving Odua USD. Okay, now receive, show full address, show address anyway. You can again match this address that on a website, whatever address shown is also shown on a Trezor device. It is same or we see. Okay, now confirm it. Copy address, and I am sending some Odua USD coin to that address. Now it's time to send 0.003. Okay, so the transaction is done and here it comes. Okay, now we have a 0.002 OWC and 0.003 OWDT. Let's see if it is confirmed or it will take some time to confirm. Okay, the other features is the same as Trezor Shoot websites, and we have to wait until the transaction got confirmation. Okay, now it is confirmed on OWDT. We can see it. It got one confirmation and it is confirmed here. So it is the demo of receiving. Now we try to send that coin back to this wallet. So we are going to do a USD, and here it is receive address. I am copying this and send back to balance to that address. Okay, now I am trying to send maximum. Okay, here you can see I have balance 0.003, but it is sending 0.0029805 because the remaining used for a fees. Now I am sending review and send. So the Trezor device will verify on a Trezor stream. You can see the amount and the address where you want to send. It will shows also the detail, and uh, uh, we are approving the transaction by hardware wallet. So I approve this. It shows the hold to confirm. So I am holding this. Okay, it will confirm. Again, this is just confirmed by Trezor wallet. This will not send coin until you click on a send button. So now I am clicking on a send button. So the coin is sent. Now I have a zero balance. We can verify it. You can see transaction history here. That transaction is comes that 0.0029805 that are sent by, and it is also confirmed. Here you can see it got one confirmation. So this is a demo of Odua USD. Now we are checking on a Odua coin. It's still on a pending status. Once it will confirm, we can send it. So if you want to add any coin that will support Trezor wallet, we can customize the firmware, and you can contact us on a description link. So you can store your any cryptocurrency on a Trezor hardware wallet, and this is a open source, and Trezor firmware is made that way that you cannot access its private key or backup seed from other website. So this website will not take your private key of any coin's address or a seed, because the firmware is designed in such a way that you cannot access its private key or seeds. When we are going to send the transaction, the firmware will sign the transaction. He will not provide private key to any third party or any library. So it is very safe. And the transaction is confirmed now. So we will try to send Odua coin, but before that we take a address where we want to send. Now I am sending Odua coin to this address and I am sending maximum. Again you can see the transaction fee will here. You can customize transaction fee. If the network traffic is very high, then you can change these transaction fees, but currently it is easy to use 10 Satoshi per byte in Odua and Odua USD. Now I am sending that. The same process like Odua coin, we have to confirm the address and the amount. It is the same as we said. Here you can verify it. Okay, now I am approving and now hold to confirm. So this is done confirm by Trezor wallet, but we have to confirm from clicking on send button so that it can. Okay, so our transaction shown here, that is send 19805 to that address. It is still in an unconfirmed state. Now the remaining features of this website is the same as Trezor.io. So you can uh, modify that Trezor's home screen, that from device setting you can set device name, you can choose from gallery, other screen, and also install custom firmware by install firmware buttons. We have modified firmware and now we added that firmware on these buttons, so that you have to not download the custom firmware, it will provide from us. And I'm showing you the web wallet here also, to do a trust wallet. That is a decentralized wallet. You can log in by your seed and send. This wallet doesn't get your private key or anything. It is pure decentralized wallet. It has no database. It will store your seeds in a session. After sending, it will clear your seeds. You can send, receive. Here it is transaction history, and this is buy history. That will shows how you, if you have buy coin from a USD wallet. So here it is, I have done. You can add any Bitcoin based or Ethereum token based coin in a Trezor wallet, but for that you have to just modify some configuration on a firmware, and you have to made a website to access that wallet. There will be also a desktop wallet is also provided by us, that will same as a Trezor Shoot desktop wallet, and that is for now. You can add any masternode coin, Bitcoin based any coin, and Ethereum based any token to here. Thank you.